How to make a wiki on Fandom. The first things first is, of course, access the wiki or the fandom.com's official website. You can also use any preferred browser you want. Right now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Just head directly to your search bar and type in Fandom. There you go. So what you want to do next is choose on the first result that will take you here. Now, the next thing that you will do is you can go ahead and search for the world's largest fan wiki platform. So let's try, for example, Witcher. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Now, once you have searched for your specific wiki, then all you have to do next is just click on this icon right here, the plus icon. It's located below on the left corner of your screen, which is a Start Wiki. Click on that. Now you will be rerouted to create new wiki fandom page right here. So just simply name your community, let's say Witcher fan, and you can also give your community an address. And once you're good with that, just choose on next, and you will have, or you will be created with a new tab or a new window, and just you can go ahead and choose anywhere you would like to connect this wiki with. It's either going to be your Facebook or your Google or your Twitch or with your Apple. So let's try Google. Choose on the specific address. Now click on continue. There you go. So be here, you will be redirected to the registration page. Now your email has already been posted right there. So you'll just have to type in your username you want and just simply click on this link right here, which is I agree to Fandom's term of use and privacy and policy, and then connect with your Google or any account that you have connected your wiki with. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make a wiki on Fandom.